Hi, today I'm going to talk to you about the 18th of February, which is tomorrow actually. Yeah, I'm a bit late today. I've been very busy lately. Yes, on the 18th of February at 11:30 p.m. Universal Time, which is almost the 19th of February, and in some countries like France, for example, it will be 12:30 a.m. on the 19th of February. What to expect from the moon when it reaches Mercury. But not only that, it reaches Mercury and it triggers a very nice configuration here with our friend Jupiter. And that announces something quite interesting. Now, it could be something that you receive, a news from someone, some interesting news, or a proposition, an opportunity. It could also mean that on the day and time, but it's going to have an effect on the 18th of February, most probably from approximately midday onward. And for others, it will continue on having an interesting influence on the 19th of February. And if not the whole day, at least until midday. So that gives us a fair chance to benefit from this kind of configuration. Now, if you have an important step to make, if you have an important appointment, or if there is something that you need to ask someone, maybe a favor or something else, that may be a good transit of the moon to choose. Because in any case, Mercury is going to slow down from now on because it is entering progressively its retrograde motion. And before it does, it slows down. From our point of view on Earth, of course, we tend to align with the planet. And when it turns around the sun and we turn around the sun, it's not the same speed. So at times it seems that the planet is retrograding, moving backwards, which of course it's just an optical illusion. But still, the fact that Mercury is slowing down keeps it in the same area of the zodiac, which is Pisces. And therefore, eventually, it will even create a conjunction with Venus, which is here. When it retrogrades, it's going to join with Venus. And that also will have a meaning that I will explain in another video. So on the 18th of February or early in the 19th of February, don't hesitate to move forward if you, for example, if you plan to go travel somewhere overseas, that could be a good moment to choose, not necessarily to go unless it was planned before, and oh coincidence, you're living on that particular day, which is a pretty good day in my opinion, because that could also indicate that you'll meet people, interesting people, make new friends perhaps as well. But whatever you're going to do on that particular day, the 18th or 19th of February, will have consequences naturally. And they may be very positive consequences actually, because the moon is going to carry on. Then it will meet with Saturn and Neptune, then with Chiron, then with Uranus, and then with Jupiter. So there are here approximately 4 signs separating the moon and Mercury from Jupiter. And 4 signs for the moon is equivalent to about 10 days. So that means that at the end of February, on the 28th of February, when the moon reaches Jupiter, then you get the reward for what you have done on the 18th or 19th of February. And of course, the reward is going to be different from one person to another because we're all different. If you're born under the sign Pisces, for example, then it concerns you directly. It concerns your life, your image de marque, as we say in French. It is most probably a moment to choose to put yourself forward, to bring yourself forward on the stage of your life so that you are appreciated for who you are and what you do and so on. And on that day, if you need to, make a very special type of step, communicating with someone important, in view of getting something very nice, maybe what you do on that day will come to conclusion, which should be a very positive conclusion when the moon reaches Jupiter in about 10 days after this, 28th, around the 28th of February or early March, 1st of March perhaps. So that's good news. And actually, the link between Mercury and Jupiter indicates good news. So it may have a very positive influence in your life, in mine as well. So tomorrow, which is this 18th of February, and on the 19th of February for me, because I'm in Perth, so you have to add up 8 hours to this time, and that will be early in the morning when Mercury is met by the moon and triggers this very positive energy stemming from Jupiter. And Jupiter, represents expansion, evolution, and success. So perhaps you're going to learn that you have had a very interesting success in some important area of your life, which is what I wish you sincerely. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I will deal with the conjunction of the moon with Saturn and Neptune. And I will also talk about this conjunction, Saturn and Neptune, because a lot of people talk about it. I've seen that on the internet, and that's fine. That's beautiful. And that's very interesting as well. So I will, give you my personal approach to this configuration and to what it may bring into our lives. So I'll see you tomorrow. Be good and look after yourself and look after those you love as well. Bye for now. All the best.